Hey YouTube, this is Ben Gessel. How's it going? As you can see, this is going to be a candy taste testing video from Rocket Fizz. This is all from Rocket Fizz in Kirkland, Washington. And so I'm going to try a few different candies here. This is probably going to be a several part video series on taste testing candies. So the first guy we have here is a zombie hand gummy lollipop. Of course, it's artificially flavored. Now, I guess it's from my favorite company, P.O. Box 69977, Los Angeles, California, made in China. Let's need a second here to open this bad boy up. Sorry about that. 1 second here. Okay. Oh, there we go. So, here we have the zombie hand. Smells kind of green apple-y. It's like a green apple flavor. I'm guessing it's going to be green apple. I'm eating a zombie hand. This is so nasty. Oh, this kind of has a little sucker type thing. Little thing you can grab onto at the bottom. Bloody. You know what? There are definitely some other flavors going on other than the apple flavor I smelled. Initially, it was a bit mucusy, like am I eating a booger, a booger thing? It's kind of like boogers. It's in between the apple flavor and boogers. Like a plasticky kind of thing. But yeah, it's closest to kind of a green apple flavor. Yeah, yeah. So I'm now officially a zombie. Let's see what else we got here. I'll do a few more. Let's try the Batman squeeze candy. Batman. So, Batman squeeze candy. It's 2.1 fluid ounces, artificially flavored blue raspberry. It's like, I don't know if you can see all that. Anyway, I think it's, boy, this is dark print. I can't really. Anyway, this is at the Rocket Fizz candy shop, at least. Oh, it's made by the DC Comics and Warner Brothers are on here, by the way. Anyway, still trying to open this thing. Sorry, 1 second. So I hope it's not just goo. Like I've had goo before. I hope it's not just like goo type thing. Let's see. You know, for goo, Batman goo. This actually tastes pretty good. It's a very strong, sour blue raspberry flavor. As you can see, try to show you guys. Looks like here. See? Something coming out. It's pretty potent. Kind of tastes a little bit. It's a little bit like a ultra concentrated. It's actually really good. It tastes like an ultra concentrated Otter Pop with some sour, something sour added into it. Okay, now we can't have Batman without Superman. Gotta have Superman. Superman. Oh yeah. Squeeze candy. I think this is strawberry, artificially flavored. Also, DC and Superman and Warner Brothers. It's made in China, distributed by Coco's Confectionery and Novelty, a division of A&A Global Industries Incorporated. 17 Stennerson Lane, Cockeysville, Maryland. 21030 USA. www.cocos.com. It's the same thing with the Batman guy. So that's a little bit too blurry to read. Lots of sugar, by the way. I think I probably don't need to get into all the nutrient things, or lack of it. But, you know, it's only 1/4 of the tube of goo. I think that was only 40 calories, apparently, which is not very much. Let's see here. Sorry. Let's see here. So, of course, this is going to be red. Last one was blue. Then green, blue, and red. Now, here we go. Let's see how we go here. How's it? You know what? Just like Batman, this one's actually really good. This is pretty good stuff. I mean, it's a little bit more potent flavor than you might expect. Yeah, it's really pretty good. I'll show you guys a little bit of the goo here. Goo. Very red, like Krypton. Not the sun. The sun Krypton. Anyway. So you guys tell me, I should know this. I'm a big Superman fan. The red sun of Krypton, well, it's red, but then it's green. How did Krypton become green if the sun was red and the sun blew up? And I think it was parts of the sun, or is it parts of the planet that were? I don't know. You guys tell me. Maybe straighten me out there. The Krypton thing. I just realized. Oh, Krypton is green, but the sun is red. I don't know. So, by the way, I would give the gummy that zombie hand. I have more of them actually in here. I'd give the zombie hand, on a scale of 1 to 10, probably about a 6. It was not really all that great, but I think they intended it to be that way. Anyway, the zombie hand was about a 6. The Batman and Superman guys here, they're more. The Batman's about a 7. The Superman's actually an 8. So they're a little bit tastier. So what else should we do here in this video? How how about... Oh, there's the other zombie hand, sorry. So this guy was only a 6. Kind of Let's try these Redbird Southern Refreshments. Soft assorted puffs. So they said there's 10 fun flavors in them. Gluten-free, made with pure cane sugar. So they're kind of just talking it up here a little bit. All this, it actually sounds like it's actually pretty good. So let's see what we're talking about here. Let's see. Okay, so this one right here looks like it might be kind of a lemon lime flavor. Maybe it's, I don't think you can see, but it's kind of a greenish thing going on. Let's see here. Redbird. You know what these kind of remind me of a little bit? Just looking at them. They look like these things look like kind of like a after dinner mint, or maybe something, you know, very genteel, so upper class Southern society after dinner mint, or after dinner something or other. Oh yeah. Those sweets sometimes you find at weddings. Quite good. That is quite good. Let's just try one other flavor. It's kind of lime flavor. Let's try a red one here. The bright green and the bright green one. Let's try a red and green. This guy, red and green. Red and green. I'm guessing this is mint. I'm not sure. Actually, sorry. Sorry, guys. This is kind of a red and blue. It's like looks like Aqua Fresh or something, some kind of toothpaste color. All right, here we go. What is that? Wow. Sorry, need some water or something. What is that flavor? It's really good. I probably should suck on these things a bit more. It tasted kind of like a birthday cake. Birthday cake with some kind of berry in there. So like berries and cream. Closer to a raspberry than a strawberry flavor. Like a raspberry cherry maybe? Or cherry and raspberry and cream or something. Yeah. But again, closer to that raspberry flavor. Let's see here. One more. These guys. Okay, so this one, folks, is green and white. I'm guessing this one might be, I don't know, green grape, watermelon, stronger lime, kiwi fruit. I doubt kiwi fruit, but... It tastes a little bit, I think it's lime, but it's very sweet. Any intensity with the sourness is gone. Okay, so again, I'm going to have to make more than one of these videos. We'll just do one more for this video. Which one should I do, folks? This is just a small fraction of what I got. I got a whole bunch of candies there. Let's try... I don't know. You guys probably know what Mars tastes like. But let's try this Guava. Choward's Guava candy. Now, I've had their violet candy before. It literally was like eating a flower. And so, like a violet. So it was not terrible, but it was very, very soapy in a way. It was weird. Okay, here we go. So, Choward's Guava candy. You can see the ingredients. So, Choward, you want to write to them? Sorry. Incorporated, 1007 Station Road, Bellport, New York, 1713. And it's actually pretty good. It's so good that I'm going to have another one. Yeah. By the way, the last candy I had, before the Chowards, I would give that one a 9. That one was, the texture was amazing. The flavors were awesome. That's some good candy. That's some high quality candy. So, yeah, here's the Choward Guava. The Choward Guava candy gets a... It's a really good flavor. Right between 8 and a 9. It's really good. So far, I knew that the zombie hand would be the worst tasting of them. Let's just do one more for this video. These are gooish gumballs. Double bubble. So should we try the green, the orange, or the black, or the white? Let's start with the green here. Maybe green and orange. So, the green one kind of a faint green apple. Isn't really that good. I mean, it's okay. It's a decent 6 to 7, maybe. I'll try the orange one here. Pumpkin. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, ha, ha. I'm not very impressed with this stuff, but it's double bubble. I mean, it's just kind of mediocre. But it's okay. Good for Halloween and stuff. So, there's a few more things here on this video. Apologize for my chewing. So, Rocket, I think it's called Rocket Fizz in Kirkland, Washington. Check them out. It's a really good store. It's a good candy and soda store. All the sodas I got, I'll have to taste test them for you guys a little bit later. But you can see, I got all these sodas and all this I can't really see candy very well, but all this candy I haven't even tried yet. So, hopefully I won't get any cavities. But yeah, check them out. Rocket Fizz. They're kind of downtown Kirkland. If you're in the Washington, kind of Seattle area. Let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, etc. below. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.